This morning, the radar is sweeping around fairly quiet for the southwest Florida coastline. Let me put it into motion over the past hour or two, and you can see these showers here off of mainland Monroe, also Biscayne Bay and the Upper Keys. A little false return starting to pop in, but as we take a little closer look there at Southern Collier, we saw a couple of very small showers. We're starting off dry. That chance of rain happens later on today between 1 and sunset, and we need it. 2 inches behind now year to date for Fort Myers, almost 1.5 inches in Naples. And the fire danger index today is very high for Lee County. The rest of the county is moderate. We saw those fires pop up here in the Cape over the weekend, and that's just a sign of what's going to be ahead here if we don't start picking up some substantial rainfall in the next few weeks. Our temperatures are well above our average of 58. We're sitting at 70 in the Cape, 71 Naples, 69 there in Fort Myers, and this is even a little warmer than where we were yesterday. We tied and broke records over the weekend, and today we're going to be back in the upper 80s. You see the wind is out of the east early, and it's going to start to turn more south here in the days ahead. We're going to see the winds up in the mid-teens here today, and the gusts back over 20. It was a blustery weekend, and today will be very, very similar. The only difference, kind of a summertime pattern. We're going to see the 30% chance of showers in the afternoon. Record high on this date is 91, and with a forecast of 88, we should be shy of that here, but love seeing a little bit of rainfall back in the forecast. Your sunset time at 6:32. You can see where the cold front's at, right there across the Tennessee Valley. 69 Nashville. Behind the front is 37 in St. Louis. That clash of warm, humid air to the south and cold air to the north that sparked some severe weather here this morning. We have 2 distinct tornado watch boxes just between Paducah and Nashville. The other one back towards Memphis. Both of these expire at 7 a.m. Central Time as this line progresses through. And it's cold enough on the north side. We got some decent snow here for Chicago, Milwaukee, all the way just north of Detroit. And as far as our concerns, very, very hot flow across the state. That's been with us all weekend long. It'll continue today, but there you go. Check it out. The best chance of rain we've seen here in a while. We'll do it again not only after midnight, but for Tuesday afternoon. Same time frame. You're looking at about 2 to 5 o'clock. And then Wednesday, we start to dry out a little bit. But notice that wind out of the south, the humidity really starts to creep back in. If you think about doing a little boating today, check out the Ingham Marine forecast. Water temperature is 75. Seas 2 feet or less. Really no issues as far as the wind, just a little blustery at times. Our forecast here going ahead towards the rest of the work week into the weekend. That's not a mistake. We actually have a cold front that's going to cool us off. 70 will be your high on Sunday as we finally get below average here for the first time in a while.